So, you've landed your job in Dubai on a 2,500 AED salary. Exciting, right? But how do you make ends meet in a city known for its luxury lifestyle? Let's see into practical tips to help you live comfortably without breaking the bank. First up, accommodation. Shared accommodation with bed space is a great option. You'll save on rent and utilities, and you'll have the chance to make new friends. Areas like Deira, Al Qusais, or Al Nada offer affordable living spaces. Look for rooms in villas or apartments with shared kitchens and living areas. You can expect to pay around 700 to 900 AED per month. Another option is partition rooms, which are more affordable but come with shared bathrooms, shared kitchen, and limited privacy. When choosing a partition room, prioritize cleanliness and hygiene. These typically cost between 1,500 and 1,800 AED per month. Next, transportation. Public transport is your best friend. The Dubai Metro and buses are reliable and cost-effective. Grab a monthly NOL card for discounted fares. And don't forget to use the RTA app to plan your journeys and check real-time updates. This will cost you about 200 to 300 AED per month. For short distances, consider walking or cycling. It's free and keeps you fit. Invest in a good quality bicycle or comfortable walking shoes. Now, let's talk food. Cooking at home is a huge money saver. Plan your meals and cook in bulk to optimize time and resources. Check out affordable grocery stores like Lulu or Carrefour. You can manage your monthly grocery expenses at around 500 to 600 AED. When you feel like eating out, go for budget dining options. Food trucks and affordable eateries are great for occasional treats. Use food delivery apps to compare prices and find deals. Managing your finances is crucial. Create a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. Allocate funds for rent, food, transportation, and other essentials. Use budgeting apps to automate and simplify your finances. Set realistic saving goals and automate your savings. Consider opening a high-yield savings account. Balancing luxury and reality is key. Identify your priorities and allocate your budget accordingly. Explore Dubai's free attractions like beaches, parks, and cultural events. Learn to do things yourself, like cooking, cleaning, and basic repairs. Be mindful of your spending habits and avoid impulse purchases. To recap, opt for shared accommodation, use public transport, cook at home, budget wisely, and prioritize your spending. Living on a 2,500 AED salary in Dubai is possible with careful planning and smart choices. Remember, it's not about sacrificing luxury entirely, but about making smart choices and finding joy in the little things. Got any tips or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.